Good morning, students. Today we will continue chapter number 3, operation on whole numbers. Properties of multiplication. We have already studied some properties. Two properties were left. So we will discuss the two properties. Next property is when the multiplier is 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000 etc. The product has as many zeros on the right side of the number being multiplied as the multiplier. Let us see the example. Here 75 multiplied by 10. We can solve these type of questions directly without performing long method. It is only possible when the multiplier is like this: 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Here the multiplier is 10. We have to multiply 75. Simple. Write down this number 75 and the product has as many zeros on the right side. First of all, 75 multiplied by 10. Write down the number and after this put the zero. As many as zeros as in the multiplier. Here the multiplier is 10 and it has 1 zero. So simply put here 1 zero and the answer will be 750. Next one is 234 multiplied by 100. Here the multiplier is 100 and it has 2 zeros. First of all, write down the number 234 and after that on the right side of this put the zeros, as many as zeros in the product on the right side as in the multiplier. So multiplier has 2 zeros, put here 2 zeros. Similarly, 1692 multiplied by 1000. Here multiplier has 3 zeros, so we write this number 1692 and after this we put 3 zeros on the right side of this. In the next property, we will study to multiply the numbers by 2000, 3000 or 4000. The next property is to multiply a number by 2000, 3000, 4000 and so on. In this condition, we multiply the number by the digit in the thousand place of the multiplier and write 3 zeros on the right of the product. Let us see one example. Example number 1 is 735 multiplied by 6000. Here it is multiplied. And we have to multiply this number. This is multiplicand. First of all, we multiply the number by the digit in the thousand place. We multiply this number, multiplicand. We multiply this number by the digit at the thousand place. This is ones place. This is multiplier. Ones place, tens, hundred, thousand place. And here the digit at the thousand place is 6. So first of all, in a bracket we multiply the 735, this number, by the digit at the thousand place. 735 multiplied by 6 and the 3 remaining zeros, ones, tens, hundred. We then multiply by multiply by 1000. Then this here the multiplier is 1000. So we will simply put 3 zeros. These 3 zeros after this product 4410 and 1230. So we can say in such type of cases when the multiplier is 2000, 3000, 4000, then multiply the number by the digit at the thousand place and simply put the zeros. Let us see one more example. 2035 multiplied by 15,000. Here the multiplier is 15,000. And the multiplicand is 2035. Let these zeros, ones, tens, hundred, let these zeros and this digit is, this number is 15. Multiply this 2035 by 15 in one bracket, and after that we will put these 3 zeros. That means we multiply by 1000. When we solve this bracket, when we will do the multiplication, then we will get 30,525, and after that it is very easy to multiply by 1000. Simply write down 30,525 and after that put these 3 zeros on the right side of the product and we will get this answer. Now the next is multiplication by 4-digit numbers. We have to multiply these two numbers. First of all, we make the periods and places. That means ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Now put the digits of the multiplicand and multiplier like this. Now we will start one by one. First of all, we will multiply by this. At one's digit is 9. We multiply this whole number by 9. Let us do the multiplication in a rough space and then we will write here. We will do multiplication. 9 into 9, 81. We will write here 1 and carry 8. 9 multiplied by 5, 45, 45 and 8, 53. We will write here 3 and 5 will carry. Then 9 multiplied by 3, 27. 9 into 3, 9 3s are 27 and 27 plus 5. That means 32. We will write here 2 and 3 will be carry. Then 9 into 2, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 3, 19, 20, 21. We will write here 1 and 2 carry. Next 9 multiplied by 7. 9 multiplied by 7, 9 7 is 63, 63 plus 2, 65. So we will write here this one. Next is 8. The place value of 8 is, what is the place value of 8? 8 and this one 0. 8 is at 10th place. The place value of 8 is 80. Now we will multiply this whole number, this complete number by 8, 0, 80. We will do this one in the rough space. 7, 2, 3, 5, 9 multiply by 80. Simply multiply the given number by 8 and put 1 0. 8 times are 72. Write here 2. 7 will be carry. 8 into 5, 40. 40 plus 7, 47. Write down 7. 4 carry. 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. Write down 8 to carry. 16 plus 2, 18. Write down 8, 1 carry. 8 multiplied by 7. 8 7 is 56. 56 plus 1, 57. And put this 0 at the right hand side. So on multiplication by place value of 8. Place value of 8 is 80. We get this. And now write down this under the this. First ones, tens, 100 at 1000 place. Next, and next. Now the next digit is 4. And what is the place value of 4? Place value of 4 is at 100 place. That means its place value is 400. So we will multiply this whole number 72,359 by 400. Let us do it in rough space. Here also we will multiply this number by 4 and then put 2 zeros on the right hand side of the product. Now 4 multiplied by 9. 4 9s are 36. Write down 6. 3 carry. 4 into 5 20. 20 plus 3 23. Write down 3. 2 carry. 4 into 3 12. 12 plus 2 14. Write down 4. 1 carry. 4 into 2. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 1 9. And 4 multiplied by 7. 4 7 is 20. And put these 2 zeros on the right side of the product. Now we will write this here. Starting from ones place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now the next digit is 3 and the place value of 3 is at which place? It is at 1000 place. So its place value is 3 multiplied by 1000. That means place value of 3 is 3000. So we multiply this whole number, complete number 72,359 by place value of 3, that is 3000. It also we will do in rough space. As the multiplier has 3 zeros, very easy. Multiply this multiplicand by 3 and simply put 3 zeros on the right side of the product. So start 3 into 9. 3 9s are 27. That means 7 carry 2. 3 multiply 5. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. 7 carry 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1, 3 multiplied by 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 3 7s are 21. Now put these 3 zeros on the right side of the product. Now write down this number here. Now we will add here 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, write down 0, carry 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 7, 26, write down 6, carry 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, write down 4, 2 carry. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 7, 22, write down 2, again 2 carry. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, and this 2. So this is how we can perform the multiplication of larger numbers like this. Here we have do the multiplication of 4-digit number. 4-digit number multiplication by 4-digit number. That means the multiplier. Here multiplier, it is multiplier, it is multiplicand, and the answer we obtained is product. So we can write it as a answer. Next is division of large numbers. As we know that multiplication is repeated addition, similarly division is repeated subtraction. For example, if we have to divide 25 by 5, then now we will subtract 5 from 25. By this we will see how division is repeated subtraction. First of all, subtract 5 from 25. We will get 20. Now again from this 20 subtract 5. 15. Now from this 15 again subtract 5. 15 minus 5, 10. Now from this again subtract 5. 10 minus 5 equals to 5. And from this 5 again subtract 5. 5 minus 5 equals to 0. As the answer comes 0, stop the process. Now count in how many steps we obtain 0. We obtain in 5 steps. We obtain 0 in 5 steps. That means 25 divided by 5. The answer will be 5. By this we can say that division is repeated subtraction. When this is dividend, this is divisor. How many times? 5 times. Answer. That means this is quotient. And the remainder is 0. Finally remainder comes 0. So this is remainder. Next, division is the inverse of multiplication. Division is the inverse process, opposite of multiplication. For example, 12 multiplied by 10 gives 120. And when 120 divided by 12, 120 divided by 12, it gives us 10. And if 120 divided by 10, then it will give 12. So we can say division is the inverse of multiplication. Now the next one is relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Third one is relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. divide 7 by 3. When we read the table, 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So we will write here 2. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. On subtraction, 7 minus 6, 1. Now, the number or digit which is at this place, the number or digit which is at this place is known as divisor. The number or digit which is at this place is known as dividend. Here we obtain quotient. At this place we obtain remainder. Now, what is the relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder? And the relation is dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. By this, we can also check our division whether it is correct or incorrect. Here, let us check this division. Here, value of dividend. Dividend is 7. So put here 7. Sign of this equal. Divisor. Divisor is 3. Put 3. Multiply. Quotient. Quotient is 2. Put here 2 plus remainder. Value of remainder is 1. As according to BODMAS, first of all we do the multiplication, because here multiplication and addition both operations are present, but according to BODMAS we will first of all solve this multiplication. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6 plus 1. Next, 6 plus 1, 7. As we have observed that both sides, this is equal, this is right hand side at the right of our hand, and this is left hand side. Both sides, right hand side and left hand side, are equal. So we can say that this division is correct. So we have to learn, we have to remember this formula: dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder, and this is also known as division algorithm. By this we can check our divisions. Thank you, students. So in the